Hey guys, this is the SDG media van from MCI. So we're going inside to see what is inside. So this is a fully fledged bus. You can see it has everything in here, the mixers and all those other things. They're just in one place. It has the coolers, the AC and everything. Wow. The mics, these are multi-million mics. We have the speakers over here, small projector screen, audio enhancer, what's that? There are cameras in here, lights. Wow, interesting. 4K mics, Ultima, movable. There's a projector screen there for projection, and there's a comfy chairs that you actually sit on. And yeah, that's it.